Hey guys, so in this video we're going to be doing a Boxycharm unboxing. I kind of go back and forth on if I like these videos or not. When I am subscribed to Boxycharm, I like watching them, and when I'm not subscribed to Boxycharm, I don't like watching them because I feel like I'm missing out. But I decided to film this video because I kind of took a little sneaky peek at what was in the box, and I thought these products were really good, not only for like getting a good Boxycharm, but these are products that I would want to actually go to the store and buy to try. So I hope you liked them. A lot of them surprised me a lot. So I hope you guys enjoyed this. Let me know if you guys do or don't like the Boxycharm unboxings. I will like not continue to do them if that's the case. But I thought it'd just be fun to do that today. I was in the mood to film and had the time and had the box. So also, I think this is the first video that I've filmed since I redecorated my office, so this is going to be the background you guys are going to see now. I'm so excited because I love the pictures up there, and I took out my extensions, so things are different around here. It's been a really long time since I've actually filmed. Like, I've had backup videos, but I haven't filmed in a really long time, so I'm really excited to be filming again. I hope you guys enjoy this video, and let's just jump on into the Boxycharm. So I have my box. I kind of cheated a little bit. I was kind of trying to decide to film if this video would be worth it because I didn't want to open the box and turn on the camera and get ready to film and be like, I'm not interested in anything in this box, but it is a good one. So this is called the Afterglow, and we get some really good stuff. I'm really excited. I'm just gonna go ahead and jump into it because the first thing that I see here is the Pharmacy Clean Bee Ultra Gentle Facial Cleanser. Now, I've been really drawn to the Pharmacy brand lately. I have had the Green Clean for a while and absolutely love it. And I recently got the Honey Potion Mask. And there's just been a lot of their products that I'm really just been interested in. So I'm really excited to use the Clean Bee. I'm going to cleanse my face here. It should be interesting. I do have like self-tanner on too, so I'm trying not to ruin that. But I need a hair clip. Okay, we are just going to go in. This is a gentle facial cleanser, so I'm assuming it's not gonna really like foam up a whole lot. It smells really nice and fresh. My hands are getting a little dry. Okay. It smells really fresh and clean. It feels really nice. It just feels really gentle, which is the kind of cleansers I personally like because I have dry skin. I don't want something that's gonna totally dry me out. Okay, but now because I touched a wet rag, I need to fix my self-tanner. Okay, I feel clean, but not like too dry, so it's good so far. There's no other skincare in the box, so I'm going to use my Ole Henriksen Banana Bright Eye Cream. I just recently got this because everybody's been raving about it. And so far, so good. For my moisturizer, I'm going to use the Origins Ginseng, which is kind of what I've been using during the day lately. So in the box, they sent no pore blem primer from Touch in Soul. This is smooth and pore covering. That's kind of all it says. Okay. It doesn't really say anything about mattifying. It just says like blurs pores and wrinkles. So hopefully it's not drying. Take a pump of that. Come on. Come on. Okay, there we go. I kind of, it's a little bit more like creamy or like almost jelly than I would expect. Sometimes I think of pore minimizing primers, I think of like Professional, that's kind of like moussey and thick. This is a lot like nicer than I thought. Interesting. Actually, I really like that. I feel like it really did smooth out my skin, but it feels like silky and smooth, not like drying and matte. Oh, good. I was really afraid that it was going to be just like super drying and super mattifying. And also, I did this peel over the weekend, and it's like making my face peel. Baby, relax. No. So my face was peeling really bad for a couple days, and it's pretty much settled down, but there are some fuses I see that want to come up. So if you see any like flaky, peely skin, that's why. But yeah, this primer made my face feel really soft and silky, so I actually really didn't think I was gonna like that, but I really do. Okay, yay. For foundation, I'm just gonna use the Lancome Skin Feels Good. I hope it doesn't look too bad over. It's still just peeling like right around here. I used the Drunk Elephant Baby Facial. I had it because a friend gave it to me. She said, you know, she's too sensitive for it, and she gave it to me because my skin is not sensitive at all. I swear I could rub dirt and like battery acid and literally whatever on my face and it would be totally fine. But for some reason this, oh my gosh, it was so crazy. I used it Saturday morning and then by Saturday night it was starting to peel. Not only that, everything I put on my face was like burning my skin. My skin got so sensitive, which again, my skin's never ever sensitive, and it's Wednesday now and I'm still kind of peeling, so it's just crazy. I will literally never use it again. I'm gonna take the Too Faced Born This Way concealer. This is in the shade Light Beige. Then I'm just gonna do my usual Charlotte Magic powder underneath the eyes and the Hourglass translucent veil setting powder all over my face. For bronzer, I'm also going to be using my normal MAC Gimme Sun and Benefit Hoola to contour. So in the box, there is this Pretty Vulgar Shimmering Swan highlighter in Glow Up. This color looks terrifying. This to me looks more like a blush or like a blush topper, at least in the pan. I'm gonna swatch it on my hand to see how it is, but I feel like it's almost like pink with a gold shift. I do not want to put this like where I highlight, but I kind of want to put this as more of like a blush kind of topper. So I'm gonna put just a touch of blush just so I have kind of a base color going. So I'm gonna use the Milani Tea Rose blush, just very lightly here. And then I will take the Pretty Vulgar highlighter and just kind of just keeping it a little bit lower. From what I can tell, I think it's looking really good on camera, but in real life, I don't like it. It's very kind of chunky. I think the lighting is just catching it perfectly right there, at least from what I can see in the viewfinder. But I kind of feel like, I feel like Pretty Vulgar was hyped up a little bit. Although I never really had an interest in it, I was really excited to see this in the box, but now I kind of feel like it's definitely like not as pinky as I thought it was gonna be. On my hand, it kind of looked like a pink base with a gold shift, but definitely as the light is catching it, I see more of that kind of gold. I'm fine to have gotten it in my box, but I wouldn't go out and buy that. What I'm gonna do, as always, is take my Becca Moonstone highlighter and I'm just going to hit the higher points of the cheek with this just so they don't look too chunky or gold or pink. Basically for eyeshadow, I'm just gonna do the most simple thing in the whole entire world because there's no eyeshadows in here and I'm just gonna try to move through it real quickly. So I'm gonna take my Friendcation palette and I'm just gonna take basic, necessary, maybe a little touch of churro and just do a really quick eye look. Next, I'm just going to tightline with the Marc Jacobs highliner. I am just going to quickly curl my lashes. And I am actually so excited they included the Too Faced Better Than Sex mascara. I have not used this mascara since L'Oreal Lash Paradise came out, just because it was kind of a more affordable option. And I love the L'Oreal mascara so much that I never feel like I want to spend $30 on a mascara. So I'm so excited. I get to like kind of try it again and kind of compare the two. And I mean, obviously I remember a little bit what this is like, but I'm just really excited to use it again and to have it because I could kind of use a new mascara anyway. So this worked out perfectly. I just have always loved this mascara because I feel like it really thickens up your lashes but still leaves them looking kind of like light and fluttery, if that makes sense. And I would still probably never buy this just because the L'Oreal Lash Paradise is so good. But I do really like that this brush is a little bit more stiff and it kind of combs through the lashes a little bit better. I'm getting so much mascara on my eyelids. You'd think I would know how to put on mascara by now. I'm going to let all this mascara dry before I wipe it off my eyelids. So I'm just going to take my clear brow gel as always. My brows are in a horrific shape, so just ignore them. The last thing that came in the box is this Tristique. Is this lip prime and color lip glaze in English Rose. What is this supposed to be? 2-in-1 lip duo. Features a luxurious lip smoothing primer on one side and a shiny color glaze on the other. Oh, primer. Oh, okay. Okay. This side has the primer and then this side has the color. Okay, so we'll start with the primer side. It's so little. I feel like you would run out of this really fast. Oh, it twists. This is cool. Okay. Feels smoothing, a little hydrating, but not like makes it like glossy and slippy. So let's try this. Let me anchor my elbow here. I like the shape of this. I don't know if you can see how it's kind of flat and pointy. Even though the shape of it is kind of flat and nice for getting around the corners, it's still a little bit of a thicker pencil. So it's kind of hard to get super precise with it. So I definitely would recommend going in with a lip liner first. But I think it's going okay, so next time. And it feels very, it's not like as dark and pigmented as the actual pencil, which is cool. I mean, it does say lip glaze. A glaze I would think would be maybe a little bit more shiny. This is obviously not, but I actually really like the finish and the feel of it. And I feel like that primer did actually smooth out my lips because my lips were very dry and flaky a little bit. So it smoothed out kind of all those like little cracks and dead skin stuff. So that's cool. I really like that actually. But I would like to see if like what other colors they have in this because I actually really like that primer side. And I like how it's a little bit more sheer. Like this is just so comfortable. And if you know me at all, you know I hate lipstick. Okay guys, well that was it. That was everything in my Boxycharm this month. I really loved this month. Sometimes you get a box and you're like, eh. And sometimes you get a box and you're like, yes. So that's why I was really excited to film today, to show you guys that stuff because this is stuff I feel like I would want to go out and buy to try anyways. But I really do love getting Boxycharm. I've gotten a couple different subscription boxes before. This one is by far my favorite. It's worth like the extra 10 bucks. You know, like Ipsy and stuff is 10 bucks, right? Boxycharm is 21. To me, it's worth the extra money to get these really cool products. This, I feel like I'm going to be using like literally every day from now on. Like I'm just going to go put this in my bathroom and use it every day. The primer, I'm so shocked at it. I definitely see myself using this more. And obviously, I already talked about how much I love the Better Than Sex. This, again, was a pleasant surprise. The only thing I feel like about was this, but I still might use it, you know, as like a blush topper or something. I don't hate it. It's just, we have so many good highlighting products nowadays. Like I feel like you have to really knock it out of the park to even come close to what so many other of these highlighters are, you know, if that makes sense. So it's not that this was terrible, but it just, that is it for today. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Even if you don't love Boxycharm unboxings, like I said, these products were just like really extra good this month. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Give it a thumbs up if you did and subscribe to see more of me, and I'll see you guys in my next one.